It would be fair to say that revenue management is an absolute pivotal pillar in the way we choose to operate as a business. It really is about driving that extra value at that point of purchase.
For off-trade, growing profitability is a must. And it's just not about taking money from our customers to our pocket. It's really to create value and create more revenue streams, maximizing the value we can get from our consumers and shoppers.
Well, I think with our ambition to change our mindset from volume to value, revenue management will be the key tool and process to implement that kind of thinking.
The major benefit is that we offer shoppers and consumers products that they really want for specific occasions, because we understand the shopper and the consumer insight very well. We're able to tailor our approach across our packs and our pricing to make sure we've got a really good offer across our fantastic brands for every single occasion, every single consumer occasion and every shopping mission.